So here we have the beautiful Kaiser KCT 97FI La Perle. The La Perle is right up there with some of the best gourmet cooking appliances that Kaiser makes. It is up there with the Avant-Garde Pro lineup. In fact, it might even be a little touch better. Now, this specific induction hob is lovely because it's a very nice wide 90 cm. It has the 5 cooking zones, but the giant rectangular area that can be used with the free zone technology, which means you can put your pot and pan anywhere in the rectangle and it will find it and heat it up very quickly using its QuickHeat technology. Now this one's also great because it has the power slider, so you can adjust the control from left to right just using your finger. It has this lovely intelligent system along with the timer, barbecue, and Teppan Yaki function. So when you enable the barbecue function on the left hand side of the hob, it will cook your food from 2 to 20 hours at roughly 180 degrees Celsius to make that nice, beautiful barbecue succulent flavor. Now, whereas the Teppan Yaki side can utilize this lovely tray that you can buy as an optional add-on extra in the checkout process. And it is great because the Teppan Yaki function will heat this up to roughly 230 degrees Celsius. It's a very high temperature for that specific Japanese way of frying the food that really seals and locks in the flavor. So with that, this one is also a Scott Saran top, so you know that it's really well made, very strong material, so that you do not have fear of breaking or cracking this. Of course, please don't drop anything on it, that's obvious, but still, it's a very strong piece of ceramic glass. With that, you also have your child protection lock to make sure that nobody accidentally turns this on, that you don't want to, of course. And with that, I want to thank you very much, and I look forward to having you as our esteemed customer.